Good morning, children. I am Sarveshwar Raut, Acharya of SSBM Dhenkana. Welcome to all of you English online video class. Yes, my dear student, I will teach you a English poem chapter accident. Open your book, page number 42. Here is listen to the topic accident. Like other lesson, there are three steps. First step is pre-reading step, second step is while reading, and the third step is post-reading. There are two paragraphs in the poem accident. It is the first paragraph and other page it is the second paragraph. In the first paragraph we have discussed about our first paragraph today. Before going to the topic, I will ask you some question. Okay, done. The first question is, have you ever seen any road accident? I think some of the students have seen accident, and some of the students not seen any road accident. Yes or no? Yes. The second question is, why do road accidents happen? Why do road accidents happen? The answer is due to carelessness of the people walking on the road, riding cycle, riding bicycle, or many other heavy vehicles. The third question is, when you want to cross a busy road, what should you do first? The answer is, we should obey the traffic rules. So we can avoid the road accident. The last question is, do you know any rules of the road? Suppose you want to cross a busy roads, what do you at first? What is your work? What can you do? At that time, you first look both left side and right side. If there is no vehicle, then you can go ahead. Now, my dear students, there are some question and answer about the road accident. So now come to the while reading steps. In this step, you will know more about road accident and some important rules of the avoid road accident. So now, my dear students, now I am going to recite the poem. Please listen carefully and try to understand the theme of the accident. Okay, done. He walked up the street with his head in the air. He did not see the car. He did not take care. He did not look left. He did not look right. He started to run. Then he heard his friend cry, "Accident, accident, don't have an accident." Yes, my dear students, now I am going to explain the paragraph line by line and understand and be ready for completion questions. Okay? Very nice. The first line is, he walked up the street with his head in the air. Here he means, what is the he? A boy like you. He means a boy like you. When the boy walked on the road very carelessly, looking upwards, that means that means the boy does not know what is the rules of the road. So, my dear students, while you are crossing a road, you should not keep up, you should not look upwards. At that time, you should look first left side and then other side. If there is no vehicle, you can go now. Then come to the second line. He did not see the car, he did not take care. He did not see the car, he did not take care. It means while the boy was going or while the boy was walking along the road or walking on the road, he did not see the car coming towards to him. He did not see the car was coming towards to him. So he did not take care and forgot all about the road accident, all about the road accident, all about the rules of the road. Now come to the third line. In the third line, he did not look left, he did not look right. He did not look left and he did not look right. It means while the boy was crossing the road, he did not look left or he did not look right on the road. Running on the road without looking left and without looking right. But it is more impossible to happen an accident. It is more possible to happen an accident. It is very dangerous if a person cannot see both left side and right side to going a busy road. It is possible to happen an accident. So, my dear students, remember that when you are crossing a busy road, you walk fast, you can look left and you can look both right side, and then if there is no vehicle you can go now. And the next line is, then he heard his friend cry, accident, accident, don't have an accident. It means when the boy started running without looking left and without looking right, a car suddenly came towards him. A car suddenly came towards him. So at that time his friend cried a loud voice, accident, accident. He also said, don't have an accident. He also said, don't have an accident. So, my dear students, these are all about the paragraph. Now, let us discuss some difficult words. First, the word is accident. What is accident? Unexpected event leading to injury. It is a noun phrase. And the second is street. What is the meaning of the street, students? Its meaning is public road. What? Public road. Then safe. What is safe? Without any danger. Without any danger. Then the traffic. Vehicles running on the road. What is across? What is the meaning of across? Now from one side to another side. From left side to right side. So my dear students, there are some SW for you. Write rhyming words. First rhyming word is air, then found, clever, right, clever, etc. Then the second question is, write the second form of the verb. Write the second form of the verb. Second form means write the past form of the verbs. Walk, start, run, cry. It is your homework. In our next class we have discussion about the second paragraph of accident. Jai Jagannath.